Quora versus Answers, and the difference between these two platforms is what I'm gonna talk to you about in this video. Hello, Tommy Olsson here. So Answers and Quora has its similarities, but they also have its difference. Even people that aren't into online marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing, or answer questions here or asking questions about a whole lot of different things. But I'm going to show you how you can make money from these two sites and building your list as well. Now here's the front page of Answers, and here's a whole lot you can get into, like science, history, and so on, arts, schools. I'll log in now to show you how to use Answers. Are inside Answers, and here we can type in any questions we have. For instance, what is affiliate marketing? So here we have answers to that question. We can, where someone have asked this question, what is affiliate marketing, and see what. So here you see an answer to this question. As you can see, it's pretty long, and you always should, when answering questions, should put in as long as an answer as possible, because that will show that you are a serious person and know your stuff, so to say. And when we go down here, we can add our own answer. And here's where we put in our answer. Affiliate marketing. Where you promote someone else's product and a certain percentage in commissions for every sale you will make. Now I'm just writing this a bit short now because I want to show you how to do this. And sometimes you can put a link here, but never put in a whole hyperlink. You need to put in spaces into the link, and then you tell the people that's gonna read this answer, you tell them to copy the link and remove the spaces in the link, and then paste it into their web browser. So for instance, the domain I have is 90day success info, and then have to put in some spaces here like that, and then you just submit your answer. When you go to profile at answers, you can't make your link clickable, which you can when we're on Quora, but you should of course write more than a link that I have put in here, but I just put it in there to show you. But when you gonna edit your profile, you just click on go to profile here, profile, and then you can click on edit. But let's now check out Quora a bit. So here we are inside Quora. You have to create down for free, very easy to do, but here you can put in what you want to ask or what you want to share by clicking here. You can add a question here, or you can create posts. Anyway, What is affiliate marketing? And here you see this question also already been answered, and Quora will tell you that it's all been answered, so you can answer a different question. But if you want to find the answer to what is affiliate marketing, we can just click that link there. It says here I've already answered this question, so I can edit it or delete it at any time. Here you see my answer, and I put a link this time, but to capture advise you to not do it every time. It's better share a whole lot of value, give a good answer to the questions you want to answer, and then you can direct them to your profile. And I'm going to show you how you can set it up so you can build your list with your profile shortly. So yeah, and I'm going to show you how you should have set up your profile. You should have your photo there, you should have a description, good description of what you have to offer and so on. But anyway, profile section. So we click on my photo there. We go to settings. Or you just click on your name here up and go to the next step. As you can see here, it's my presentation. It's important that you upload a good photo, a close up, preferably where you smile a bit. And I say here that affiliate marketing expert helping people to make money online. When you're struggling to make money online, this will help, and I made a clickable link there. So let's check out how I did that. So we hover over the name, and then it should say edit here. To the right. Here is where you can change your name in case you want to do that, but I don't want to do that. So now I'm going to show you how to edit the bio. As you can see, it says edit here below my description, so let's click that. We are in the editor, and you can just post in your text, but to put in a URL, you need to click the 2 A's here. And here you can see the link symbol here, and you can enter bold and italic text and much more. But if you want to enter URL like I have done, you just mark the words you want to link, and then you click the link text there. And you just enter your URL here, and then you just update it. So I hope you like these tips about Quora and answers. If you're interested to start building passive income by investing just $1, then click the link below and you can make unlimited $197 commission. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.